Today we're here because of the White Cane Awareness Day, and it is a national day that's on the 15th of October. And we decided to go ahead and just bring it up a notch, and we decided to do an event for Edinburgh. So we call it the Edinburgh CISD White Cane Safety Day. It is important, so it's just an awareness for others that traveling is important for all, but our students need to also learn how to travel independently, and that's what we do with the use of their cane for mobility. And it's just an awareness that people just travel differently.
So the importance of White Cane Day is brought to the students so that the students are given a chance to help learn about situational awareness and help them get by day to day with tasks and with things that they're not able to do every day. As far as my experience, I've been in the martial arts for a good long period of time, and I bring this knowledge to the kids so that they have a chance to learn to protect themselves, and they have a chance to grasp onto things that they're not given every single day.
Starting from as far back as I can remember, White Cane Day is more of a chance to learn new skills with the cane. Some of the skills that I can remember are when climbing the stairs, you learn how to use your cane for going up and down. You learn to sweep side to side for when you're more in an open space. And for this one, as of today, you learn new safety skills to how to block or defend yourself.
A great message to the community is that we need to watch out for everybody. We need to show each other respect, regardless whether they have a special need, whether the child is blind, whether the child is deaf. They need to be all given the chance to live peacefully and with safety.